In today's episode, we'll be drawing bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hello, Miss K here. We'll be drawing bubbles today. Let's begin. So we'll start off by drawing a basic circle for the head. And then we'll move on to the dress, which is like a slanted rectangular shape. And on to the legs, straight line down and curved at the bottom. Can always draw lightly and go over it again to make the lines darker. And then on to the arms, which is just like a rectangular shape with a curve at a corner. The hands are hidden at the back, so it's just the rectangular shapes on the sides. And then we'll move on to her ponytails. It's curved at the top part and then a bit of a pointy corner. Move on to the other side. And then for the hair, for the top of the head, we shall have a guideline. Straight line down. Start from the center, move on to the right and left. And now for the eyes, one big curve for the right and the left. For the right eye, we'll be drawing 3 more curves for the inner part of that semicircle. And for the left, just 1 circle and 1 curve. And then the mouth. And stripes for the dress. And 2 lines for the shoes. And also a semicircle for the small details. So there you have it, bubbles. Now we're gonna go on to outline bubbles using marker. And we are going to color in. I'm using blue for her eyes and her dress, yellow for her hair, and black for the rest of the parts. And also the skin color for her skin tones. Alright, so there you have it, bubbles. Thanks for watching and hope you guys would subscribe, like and share our videos. Till next time, see ya!